type break at T1 there. T5. And this L5 right here. Now, we're tender here, Evan.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah. It's that fifth lumbar. Come on over here. That right leg 90 degrees, left. See, they're both moving. His hips are moving really good. Your hips move really good. Now, on the x-ray, it shows there's a leg deficiency here. And you'd figure that might be affecting the hips, but it's not. It's not your hips. It's the fifth lumbar that's really locked up in here, and that's what's subluxated. So let's set L5 here. Gotta use that x-ray, especially here, because breathe out. Okay. Sure. Breathe out. It really doesn't matter what side we set that upper dorsal on, but there's a lot of rotation in here. Everything's shifted over to this left side, so we're just setting that on that right. We can see that coming down to 0 there. Then this fifth lumbar down here. That ain't clearing you out. Evan, come back here again. Breathe out. Good. Okay, nice and gentle. Okay. So I understand you're an athlete and your background is beating Penn State in the championships of the NCAA volleyball, right, at Stanford. All right. That's my alma mater, by the way, Melissa. And then, but also you played pro for a while?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, all right. And you're holding up pretty well.
Yeah.
Your hops, you're still playing volleyball?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good.